Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So today I'm actually introducing our first bootcamp. So this is going to be actually 14 days, and it's going to be online. I hope you can see that on the screen. So actually this is going to cover whether you are a pro or intermediate or a beginner. So but this is going to be an intense course where you're going to actually learn like almost everything. So there is few things that we're going to cover, but everything that we're going to cover here is going to actually complete you actually with your skills. Actually, we're going to learn technical analysis, which is obvious, fundamental analysis, risk management, position sizes. I know people, they have like some issues with the lot sizes, and a discipline, which is actually you can do anything without discipline, right? So discipline is like the ability to stick to your trading plan even when your emotions are telling you otherwise, or do something else. So we know how our emotions work, right? Another thing is patience, is something that we're going to cover. Emotional control, money management, risk tolerance, let's see, time frames, trading psychology, trading systems. This is going to be from a different, I will add that. Actually, I will be talking about that after. Back testing, forward testing, continuous learning, and many more. So you will just let me know if maybe you want to be part of that team. I hope you can see on the screen that is only $29 because it's actually 14 days, but from day one up to that, you're going to actually learn everything. And even if maybe you are not new to trading, I think maybe you can improve here and there. Plus, this every session that we're going to have is going to be recorded. Then, even if you miss the session, still you're going to get whatever that you missed, and you can still learn more and learn more. I think 2 weeks is going to be much better. So obviously we will be starting this week. Actually, we'll be starting this week, starting from Monday and going further. So let me repeat. Actually, when we talk about technical analysis, it's actually, this is the study of historic price charts to identify patterns and trends that can help you predict future price movements. When you see us drawing whatever here on the screen, by the way, we smashed Nasdaq. We also smashed the US30, even though the market did actually reverse. But yes, we actually did smash that on Friday, which is a very good thing, right? So risk management, or let's say fundamental analysis, it's actually the study of economic, financial, and company-specific factors that can affect the price of an asset. So we're talking about economic news like NFP, unemployment rate, interest rates. Also, if maybe you trade in the Nasdaq, we're going to talk about a company's earnings or company earnings. Risk management, actually, this is the process of minimizing your losses by setting stop losses and limiting your risk exposure. But this is going to also work together with your actually strategy, right? Position sizing, this is the process of determining how much money to risk on each trade. Actually, I always repeat this. Every time when you go into trade, just know that I'm going to risk this much. Before you even open the trade, you should know that I'm going to risk this much, or once I lose that, I'm getting out. If not, it means you will be making profit. So now the market doesn't really have to choose for you actually how much you're going to lose, right? So discipline, this is the ability to stick to your trading plan even when the emotions are going up and down. You have to stick to the plan. So I will be forcing you to do that. So patience, the ability to wait. Ability to wait. People, they can't wait. FOMO, fear of missing out. So ability to wait for the right time. There's a right trade. Wait for the market to confirm. You see, avoid impulsive trading, or I can say avoid being greedy. You see, we're going to learn that. Emotional control, actually, this is the ability to keep your emotions in check and not let influence your trading decision. On this one, we're going to also add trading plan. So everything, guys, makes sense, and it's actually planned. So you're not just going to go on a course or bootcamp and we're gonna touch here and there. No, everything is in chapters, and we're going to touch that chapter or every chapter until you understand where you were making mistakes. Money management. This is a process of allocating your trading capital wisely and avoiding over trading. You know, sometimes you make money, but just because it seems like there's another opportunity, you just keep trading. That's why most likely I like to focus on one thing. So I hope that you're going to learn something. So there is so much stuff that we're going to learn, guys. Risk tolerance, time frames. We have to understand the time frames that we're going to work on, guys. Don't just go on the market and just trade everything. Back testing. We're going to back test our strategy. We're going to back test our strategy like each and every time until you understand that, okay, here there is like 85% chance of winning or something like that. Sorry, this dog is eating the sofas. So anyways, sorry. So yeah, that is actually everything that I want. There is so much that I will be covering. There will be so much that we'll be covering. So I hope maybe you can see the prizes there. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.